I forgot to add this to the markup on last video. So here is the Excel process. So in this, you're going to find either your cost, your markup rate, your markup amount, or your selling price, depending on what's missing. So if I'm looking for the markup rate and the markup amount, and I have the selling cost and the price, then I have to use these two, the selling cost and the price, and I subtract them, right? So the markup right here is the selling price minus the cost. So this is going to be equal to the selling price minus the cost. So, and then I can just drag that down into the next cell. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to find the markup rate. Well, the markup rate was the markup amount divided by the cost. So it's a 31% markup rate for that item and a, oops, why won't it? Just want this cell. I don't want to drag that. No, not both of them. So I'm just going to, oh, seriously. I'm just going to control and copy and paste it in here. And so that one has a 36% markup rate. So now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to find the markup amount knowing the rate. So to find the markup amount knowing the rate, I'm going to simply multiply the cost by the markup rate. So this is going to be equal to the cost times the markup rate. That's going to give me the markup amount, and then the selling price is equal to the cost plus the markup amount. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this formula down, but if I wanted to find the markup amount, it is equal to the cost times the markup rate. And then the selling price is equal to the cost, the cost plus the markup amount. Now here I have the markup amount and I have the markup rate, so I need to find the cost. So the cost is actually equal to one plus, whoops, parentheses around it, 1 plus the markup rate I'm sorry, it's the markup amount Ooh. Divided by the, should be a markup amount just divided by the cost. I'm sorry, should be the cost divided by the markup rate. So then I'm going to take that and the markup amount, and I'm going to find the selling price. So this is equal to the cost plus the markup amount. Now again, here to find the cost, I'm going to divide the selling amount by the markup amount. Then I'm going to find the selling price, which is going to be equal to the cost plus the markup amount. Now I'm going to find the cost again. I need to find I have the selling price though. So to find the cost this time, I'm going to take the selling price and I'm going to take the selling price. I'm going to divide it by 1 plus markup rate. So how do I know when I add 1 and when I don't? Well, when I have the total amount included in the value, I add 1. When I don't have the total amount included in the value, I don't add 1. So that's going to give me my cost. And then I'm going to find the markup amount, which is going to be the selling price minus the cost. Or I could do this times that. Should still give you the same answer. So again, I'm going to find the cost, which is equal to the selling price divided by 1 plus the markup rate, whoops, And then I'm going to find the markup amount, which is going to be equal to the selling price minus the cost. And if I wanted to check this again, I could just find, to check it, I would take the cost. I would take the cost and I would multiply it by markup rate. And did I get 1313? I did. So I have the right answer. So that's how you would check it. If you have any questions, jump into a Zoom meeting and or send me a message in Teams. I hope all is well.